fly on a cloud, try on a mermaid look, touch space, and take a photo inside a light bulb? Check out a ton of cool Instagram life hacks in our new video. And first, you need a blue background. You can paint it on thick paper. Spread it on the floor. Next, you need a flashlight and a glass container with water. Have your friend lie down. To take a picture of this masterpiece, you will need a whole crew of people. One assistant holds the bowl, the second moves the water with her fingers and lights it with the flashlight, and the third friend focuses on taking pictures. A team like this will make your photo turn out amazing. And it is! Look at this wonderful photo of a mermaid. The blue background creates the effect of seawater, and the water in the bowl refracts the light from the flashlight and makes the picture shine. Very unusual. And now just point the flashlight at the water and direct the light effects towards your friend posing. While the room is a bit dark, the lights shimmer and create bright highlights in the photo. Do you want to take an unforgettable picture with your boyfriend? Your friend is ready to take pictures of your love story, but regular photos aren't interesting enough. The brilliant photographer has an equally brilliant idea. Turn the girl to face the boy, placing her head exactly at his chin. Take a photo. A dark-haired man with a blonde beard? He must be cosplaying as Dumbledore. Photos like these look funny and will definitely cheer up your followers. So you'll probably get a lot of likes. Nowadays, not even the most beautiful selfie in the world will get a lot of likes. We'll tell you how to make your photo bright and original. Place a picture of a rainbow and another colorful picture on the phone's display. Put the camera on a tripod and set the shutter speed to 4 seconds. The aperture to 5.6, and the ISO to its lowest value. Click on the shutter and make a movement with the phone in an arc. Long exposure captures the movement of light in the form of a drawing, and a beautiful light rainbow appears on the photo. Or maybe wings. In the name of Instagram, take care of your friends who know how to take beautiful pictures of you. Here is another idea for your profile. Sit on a stool and hold your legs pressed to your torso. Take an LED garland. Pass several LEDs through a light bulb socket. Hold it with your fingers, leaving free space in the middle. Select an angle so that your friend will be in the shot. Click on the camera shutter. Got you! Now you're trapped inside the light bulb. Look, she's stuck in a lamp. How funny! And for another Insta hack, you need glass and black markers. Draw a hairstyle with 2 pigtails. Add bows. Leave a little space and draw a crown. You can use it as a photo mask. And now draw a thin mustache. Try the masks on one by one and take pictures. Who are you today? A carefree girl, Salvador Dali, or a spoiled princess? Choose the perfect look and post the funniest photos on Instagram. And for the next life hack, you will need saran wrap and a plastic lid. Cut out the middle from the lid. Wrap the ring with film. Coat it with clear nail polish. Sprinkle it with multicolored glitter. Cut a hole in the center. If you want to look really brilliant, just use this glittery cap. If you highlight the sparkles with a flashlight, it creates a beautiful bokeh effect. The picture will turn out gorgeous. For this Insta hack, prepare a plain background and decorate it with paper hearts. Lie down on the floor and lay out the accessories around you. Place your hands like a doll. To get the right angle, take the pictures standing on the stool. You get pictures in the style of a boxed Barbie doll. It looks very cute! And this time, you need a lot of cotton. Spread it on the floor and tear it into small pieces. Hide an LED garland in the cotton. It will create a soft spotlight. Lie down on the cotton bed. A girl on a soft, fluffy cloud looks so cute and romantic. The pictures turn out very delicate. Trying to take a good photo, but nothing is working? We'll tell you what you can do. You will need incense sticks. Light them. They will fill the room with a pleasant aroma and also surround you with soft smoke. Take a flashlight in your hand. The light smoke screen gives an atmosphere of mystery. And now prepare a round vase with water. Put the vase on the table. Lean down to the level of the table so that your head is behind the water. The water in the vase will distort your face beyond recognition. Take as many shots as possible from different distances. Bring the vase closer to your mouth, your eyes, smile, and make faces. The most difficult thing is to choose a shot without tearing up or a riot of laughs. For the next life hack, you will need a bottle of laundry detergent and a video of the sky from a plane. Place the bottle handle near the phone. Take a picture. The photo looks like you shot it through a plane window. Your friend will be surprised. Where did you travel to? Did you play with paper dolls when you were kids? We'll tell you how to make a photo with cardboard doll accessories. Cut the cardboard in the shape of a bag. Outline it with a marker. Paint it pink. Paint the inside turquoise. In the meantime, the friend makes herself a cardboard dress. Try the dress and the handbag on, and take bright pictures. You look just like a doll! Tired of regular angles? It's time to look at yourself from another side. Put the phone on the floor. Press the camera button with your foot. Take a picture of yourself from the bottom up. Selfies from such an unusual angle will attract a lot of attention and likes. For the next life hack, you will have to do a small rearrangement. Turn the rack. Select panorama mode. Bend your elbow and place it closer to the rack. Change the position and expose your arm from the other side of it. A friend takes your hand and pulls it toward herself. Smoothly move the phone. The result is a funny shot with a long hand going through the walls. Be sure to show the pictures to your friends and let them be surprised by your superpowers. And now you need a computer monitor. Place a picture of space on the screen. Lean your face against the monitor. Bring the camera lens closer so that nothing extra gets into the shot. Take a photo. A portrait on the background of galactic infinity deserves at least hundreds of likes. Christmas was forever ago, and taking pictures with a Christmas garland isn't relevant anymore. You cannot say the same about a lamp with stars. Turn it on, and a whole constellation of multicolored stars appear on the wall. Project the stars onto a friend and take a picture. Let everyone know who the real star of Instagram is. Did you like our Insta hacks? Which of these photo ideas will you choose for your profile? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any new life hacks for Instagram on Troom Select.